If you're watching this right now, you've probably stumbled across me from either Instagram or YouTube, and you're wondering who this Asian guy is talking to across the screen. And I figured that I should make a video sharing my life, my story, and really the purpose of the videos that are about to come forward onto the channel, which is this is the new world that we're going to live in, guys. A world where it's not social media anymore, it's going to be interest media. So this is interest media. It's everything that Gary Vee, Alex Hormozy.
I would do lunch and learns with 15 people, right? So I got 15 views. I was like, hell yeah. I mean, I would do this in person, and this is just being convenient for them. So it's at home, right? And so I bring this up so that you don't judge the number of views. It's way more important to have quality of views. I have two businesses that I looked at in the last year that were doing over $1 million a year with less than 5,000 followers.
In fact, I actually believe the word social media might have to get tweaked. I believe we are now in the interest media era.
Interest media.
Not social media, but interest media.
All of the big online marketers have been talking about, and we've officially entered into this era where I truly believe that personal branding and being real and authentic and organic is going to be what makes you stand out. And honestly speaking, I don't mind. Honestly speaking, right? I don't mind being a little bit more organic and having less edit videos, having more raw style videos for you guys. My goal really in this channel is to help people get started into online business, adopt this $1 trillion economy, which is high ticket dropshipping. High ticket dropshipping, for those that don't know what that is a fulfillment model where you are marketing products that are high-end, expensive, luxury. And we're taking advantage of the arbitrage that is happening in the $1 trillion boom from the boomer generation and millennials, Gen Zs. I don't even know if it's Gen Z. Anyways, it's pretty much younger people and older people. And there's this technological gap, which is AI. And the arbitrage is luxury retail. It's online luxury retail. And that's what we talk about more so in this channel. But also, I want to explore into new realms, right? So I'm thinking about just sharing with you guys more about my life journey, how I got into entrepreneurship, some of the thoughts that I've had along my journey. A lot of this is going to be me capitulating and formulating ideas and thoughts and sharing it with you all throughout my journey as you guys continue to see my evolution in my entrepreneurial career. But that being said, I want to formally introduce myself. Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Slam. I'm a high ticket dropshipper and I am here to make videos to document my lessons that I'm personally learning in my life, in my entrepreneurial journey, so that you don't have to make it again, so that you could fast track yourself into transforming into the highest level that you possibly can be. Now, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm going to start popping videos out at least once a week. And I guess you just have to find out what's next.